Hey, what's up, friends? I'm Amelia, and today I want to share something that's been making a big difference for me lately. It's called Tonic Greens. Honestly, I didn't expect to be this into it, but here we are. So, this isn't just some random green powder. It's a powerful superfood formula with over 57 ingredients: herbs, vitamins, probiotics, prebiotics, and all the good stuff your body probably needs without you even realizing. What's really cool is that Tonic Greens isn't just about boosting energy or digestion. It's like a six-in-one solution. It supports your immune system, helps digestion, fights viruses, yes, even herpes, reduces inflammation, and gives you energy, all in one scoop. But before we go further, here's an important heads up. Tonic Greens is only available on the official website. Don't buy it from Amazon, eBay, or anywhere else. There are fake products out there, and you don't want to risk it. I've dropped the official link below this video so you can grab the real deal safely. Now, what is it exactly? It's a simple powder you mix with water or juice in the morning. No pills, no hassle, and it tastes way better than I expected. Inside the scoop, you'll find turmeric, spirulina, resveratrol, beetroot powder, plus a bunch of greens and fruits that help with stress, immune health, digestion, blood sugar, and more. If you deal with herpes outbreaks, this formula was actually made with that in mind. It helps strengthen your immune system to fight the virus naturally. Many people say it's helped reduce their flare-ups, but even if that's not you, maybe you're just tired all the time, have digestive issues, or feel a bit off. This can help you get back to feeling like yourself again. Another great thing, Tonic Greens is non-GMO, free from chemicals and toxins, and made right here in the USA in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility, so it's clean and safe. And here's the best part. If you don't love it, you can get your money back. A full refund, no questions asked. So honestly, there's no reason not to try it. People are reporting more energy, clearer skin, less bloating, better mood, and fewer symptoms overall. It's not an instant magic fix, but if you use it daily, you'll start seeing results. So here's what you do. Just one scoop mixed with water or juice in the morning. That's it. Super simple, super chill. If you want to feel better, support your immune system, fight off viruses, and get your health back on track, Tonic Greens is definitely worth a try. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll try to reply. And don't forget, use the official link to get the real product and the money-back guarantee. Take care of yourself. You deserve it. Catch you in the next one.